explore everyday things and so much more. A is for alarm that rings each day. B is for book we read and play. C is for cup we drink from too. D is for door we open through. E is for eraser, clean and neat. F is for fan that keeps us cool. G is for glass we see right through. H is for hat we like to wear. A, B, C, things I see everywhere around me. A, B, C, come along, learning things with a song. I is for ink and pens we use. J is for jar with a little lid. K is for key that locks the door. L is for lamp that lights the floor. M is for mirror shining bright. N is for notebook line so straight. O is for oven warm inside. P is for plate where snacks reside. A, B, C, things I see everywhere around me. A, B, C, come along, learning things with a song. Q is for quilt soft on the bed. R is for radio songs we hear. S is for shoes we wear outside. T is for table big and wide. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for vase with flowers playing. W is for window, look outside. X is for soda while we play. Things are here and things are there. Things at home and everywhere. Point and say what you can find. Learning things is fun and kind. Y is for yarn, soft and long. Z is for zipper, zip, zip strong. From A to Z we look today. Great job learning, hooray, hooray! Now we know our A to Z. So many things around we see. Wave goodbye and come back soon. We'll learn again with another tune.